But AI is a huge deal. Artificial intelligence is kind of spread out now, and it's gone into the classrooms and into the education.
Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of the future. It is already making its way into PSJA classrooms.
Just letting our students be aware of what it looks like, how to prompt, how to use it correctly.
During the Hour of AI, students as young as 4 years old are getting an idea of what the future will look like.
We don't want our students to be behind. We want to make sure that our students have the information that they need. They're not actually using the AI themselves, it's kind of educating them, and then they can create. So they can use AI to create like a bot or a different little animation, a different tool.
Research indicates that introducing AI projects in early education helps young learners develop essential skills, including logical reasoning, teamwork, and creativity, which are crucial for future careers in technology and beyond.
I really enjoy it as a robotics student here. It's a fun and good project to do if you like to code.
Activity that I like to do is coding and also math, because it could really make them really interested in coding and all that.
In addition to AI, students are also introduced to computer science and robotics through hands-on learning.